What does reflection mean? Let's say I have, this is how we define, we show a surface, a straight line with this, this crossed lines. This is how we represent a surface. Now, what does reflection mean? If light falls on a surface, what does happen? It reflects. So how do we define reflection? I can say reflection is what? Bouncing back of light. So reflection is bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light, from a surface. This is called reflection of light. Got it? So you throw a ball onto the wall, the ball bounces back. So that's reflection. So how do we define reflection of light? Bouncing back of light from a surface is called reflection. Now, to understand reflection about light, we give a few names to this. The ray which is coming and striking this is called incident ray. What is a ray? This is called incident ray. This is called reflected ray, and this is called normal. Fine.
So the point at which the rays reflect is known as the point of reflection.
Yeah. So the point from which the ray gets reflected is known as point of.
Incident ray striking on the surface and reflecting back is known as reflection.
I'm sorry. Can you just repeat it?
Sir, I have written in the chat box.
Arya, can you tell me? I'm not able to hear you properly.
So I have written the answer in the chat box.
Okay, you have written the answer in the incident ray striking on the surface and the reflect. Fine. So incident ray, reflected ray, and this. So this is all something that you already know. Now let's say this angle. This is called angle of incidence. It's angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Yes. And there is normal. What is normal? Normal is the a line drawn perpendicular to the surface.
Perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence.
Yeah. So it is the perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence, right? So what does it say?
Sir, both the angles from the center line, perpendicular line normal to the incident ray, and from the normal to the angle of reflection are the same, or the reflected ray are the same.
Yes. So angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, right? This is what we say. This is one. Yes, we call them as laws of reflection. We'll discuss
all
about
are
them.
The same plane.
Now the second one is what? Incident ray. You all know it, right? Incident ray.
Incident ray, normal ray, and reflection ray all lie on the same plane.
And normal, they lie on same plane, right? We know this. Is that fine? So this is what we know. We understand angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, but what does the second statement mean?
Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
So which second statement? I cannot.
Okay, the second statement says incident ray, reflected ray, and a normal lie in the same plane.